Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On July 13th, at the Don Bosco Retreat House in Lawan, the Salesians of the Southern Philippines province concluded their annual spiritual retreat. For the past 2 weeks, the Salesians, divided into two groups, have been in silence and prayer using the method of the Ignatian exercises facilitated by Father Silvino L. Boris, SJ. The Provincial of the Salesians of the Southern Philippines, Father Fidel Maoreden, SDB, was present throughout the retreat and presided over the concluding Mass with the renewal of the Salesians' vows and the installation of the new rectors of the communities. Last Thursday, 11th of July, students from the Don Bosco educational projects in Innerdale graduated after intensive courses in the electricity, construction and merchandising sectors. In his address, the principal, Mr. Napier, urged the students to help build their communities with the newly acquired skills. He also added that it was a real joy to form young people in the area and told them to be grateful to their parents for the sacrifices they made to support them and help them achieve their dreams. On 13th July, in the courtyard of the Salama Technical Institute, Father Pascual Chavez, Rector Major Emeritus, presided over the Eucharist, during which 9 young Salesians made their perpetual religious profession before Father Guillermo Basañas, Superior of the Province of Central Africa, AFC. Of these 9 young Salesians, 8 are of Congolese nationality and 1 original from Guatemala, a missionary at Gentes. The 26th Far Eastern Youth Conference took place in Yakutia from 7th to 14th July. This is a meeting of the eastern part of the Diocese of St. Joseph based in Irkutsk. This diocese is the largest Catholic diocese in the world in terms of area. More than 30 participants from different parishes, thousands of kilometers apart, met in the Salesian house. The theme of the meeting was the search for the vocation and dream of God for each person in connection with the Strena 2024 of the Rector Major. Invited guests Oleg Vox enriched the program with a series of talks in the historical scientific foundations of the Christian faith. Conference participants learned the history of the city of Yakutsk, the largest city in the world, built on perennially frozen ground. More than 1,000 Salesian leaders, lay people and members of the Salesian family have prepared and are carrying out the 2024 holiday oratories in the Salesian St. Luke province of Venezuela, with the motto, "Dream with joy, build eternity." The objective of these oratories is to offer the most vulnerable children, adolescents and young adults a space for meeting, formation and integral development, where they can carry out recreational, sporting, spiritual and cultural activities. The leaders were trained in various areas in order to provide an enriching experience for participants. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Monalisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.